Hello and welcome back to Primal Living's YouTube channel. My name is Hannah. I am one of the Primal Gourmet authors, and in today's recipe video I have a brilliant Easter recipe for you all. If you're on the hunt for a low carb, refined sugar free and primal friendly chocolate Easter egg recipe, then this is the recipe for you. These mini chocolate Easter eggs are super fun and easy to make, and you have 3 options for a centre filling. We've got a super nutty peanut butter centre, we have a hazelnut and chocolate centre, which is my favourite, or if you fancy, keep things plain and just go for a solid dark chocolate Easter egg option. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe as much as I enjoyed making it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly recipe videos and more, but for now, let's get into it. Begin by grabbing yourself a silicone Easter egg mould like mine. These are really easy to find online or even in your local supermarkets around Easter time. I'm using the mould with just the Easter egg shapes, which has a dimension of 30 centimetres by 22.9 centimetres and roughly can make 8 to 10 chocolate mini Easter eggs. Next up, add 75 grams of dark chocolate and 30 grams of coconut oil to a microwavable bowl and melt in the microwave. This will be enough chocolate for the first layer of your eggs. Grab your egg mould and gently pour your chocolate into each mould, making sure to only fill halfway. A good tip here is to pour the chocolate onto the back of a teaspoon directly over each mould. This avoids the chocolate spilling over the bowl and creating a mess. Once done, place your mould onto a chopping board like mine and place it in the freezer for 10 minutes to let the chocolate harden. Once the chocolate is solid, remove from the freezer and start adding your filling of choice. I've gone for a half-half option, adding natural peanut butter to half of my medium-sized egg moulds and hazelnut butter to the other half of my medium-sized egg moulds. I'm also leaving the tiny eggs in the middle plain. When it comes to choosing your nut butters, make sure you always check the ingredients to make sure they're as natural as possible. Thankfully, most supermarkets now stock nut butters that are made with just nuts. Hazelnut butter can be slightly trickier to find, so always check the ingredients before to make sure it's primal friendly and no added sugar has been added. Next, melt the remaining half of your chocolate, which is another 75 grams of dark chocolate and 30 grams of coconut oil, and pour over the fillings that you have just done. You should have a nice smooth top to finish with. Once done, pop your mould back into the freezer for at least 30 minutes before removing. I removed mine slightly too early here, but your finished piece should look something like this. I recommend leaving your eggs in the freezer until you're ready to enjoy them anyway. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, if you need another low carb recipe for Easter this year, then check out our cheesy fish pie. It's one of my favourite recipes ever. Thanks for watching guys, and see you next week.